Okay, so now we're gonna start this next little section here. Another little thing is that I put down towels and I'm going to drape this blanket over the dishwasher just to help protect the floor and appliances from getting banged up when tile pieces fall. Okay, so once you have the section of tile removed, you'll see that there's a metal piece underneath, and now he's going to work on taking that off. Okay, so once he has it kind of pulled away from the edge a little bit, he's gonna grab his crowbar and just pull it off. Okay, so we have the metal pulled off of both sides. You can see it's kind of already starting to lift up here from banging it around. So now he's gonna try and take off this top section.